I'm filming you. Filming you. Stop, stop, stop. Babe, filming you. Cooking your sardines. What are you doing?
Cooking sardine. Nice, fresh one. Fresh sardine.
From Swindon Sea.
From Swindon Sea. Delicious. It's cheap. It's only £30 a kilo.
£3.67 a kilo. They
It's
were.
not £30? Welcome to airport to come to it, my sardine.
How much?
Free.
Free?
Yeah. No problem.
You're not charging?
I'm not charging.
Why?
Because if you charge somebody and when he hot, when he's for some damage in stomach or something,
And you feel
it's
bad?
hospital. if he don't pay me for sardine, I should take him to hospital when he eat the sardine.
Do you know what it smells like? Do you know what it smells like here?
It smells like
Morocco.
oh, Morocco.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I think they look foul.